My mom's always said that if you love what you do, you'll never work a day in your life. And I very much found that to be true. My customers come to me because they don't have the time to cook, they don't have the desire to cook, or are looking to hit their protein goals, or simply because they don't have the inspiration and they're making the same thing every day and they're bored. People keep returning because I think once you break down the pricing of it, it ends up being cheaper than if you got the ingredients to make at home yourself, or door dashing food, or going out to eat every day. This is way cheaper. Klove Kitchen specializes in meal prep. Whether you're a busy mom looking to have more nutritious food for your kids, maybe your friends just had a baby or went through surgery and you'd like to gift them a week's worth of meals. I don't focus on one specific cuisine. I pull inspiration from my upbringing in San Diego, from my family's culture being Cambodian, to the classical training that I've had with French cuisine. And living here in America, it's just such a melting pot. You kind of pull from so many cultures, and that's what makes Klove Kitchen unique. I started Klove Kitchen as a private chef, but in November of 2024, I started our beverage pop-up. At Klove Beverage Pop-Up, we sell dirty sodas and lattes and teas. I think people are hesitant when it comes to dirty sodas, but once they try them, they end up falling in love with them every time. A couple things change every week. We have a different latte flavor and we have a different dirty soda featured. There's always something new for you to try. I feel accomplished every time that I'm cooking, creating a drink. What I enjoy even more is watching people's reaction to it. I think it's important to me to love what you do. And my mom's always said that if you love what you do, you'll never work a day in your life. And I very much found that to be true.